Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform simple metal pieces into an indispensable tool for any welding project. I carefully measure and mark. Accuracy is key to what we are building. Next, I'm using a set square to draw precise perpendicular lines across my previous marks. With the metal firmly clamped in the vise for safety, I'm taking my angle grinder and carefully cutting along the first marked line. I'm repeating the process, cutting along the second line. Now that both metal bars have been cut, I can carefully weld them together to form a perfect 90-degree angle. I'm checking the angle with my set square to make sure it's spot on before tack, welding the joint. This initial weld holds the shape securely. After the initial weld, I'm using a chipping hammer to remove the slag. This is important for a clean, strong weld, revealing the joint and preparing it for further work. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. A quick check confirms the angle is correct. I want this to be perfectly square. Next, I'm taking a reinforcing steel bar. I'm measuring and marking it to match the position of the V shape. I secure it in a vise and use an angle grinder to cut it along the mark point. Now, I'm welding the rebar to the V-block. This creates a solid connection for our clamping mechanism. After welding, I'll clean the joint to remove any slag and ensure a smooth, strong finish. I'm repeating the process of preparing the second reinforcing steel bar and welding it to the V-block. Consistency between the two parts is crucial for the clamping fixture to function correctly and apply even pressure. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm marking the next cutting lines for the V-shaped block. Using an angle grinder, I'm cutting along the marked lines. I'm using a marker and ruler to mark the center of the metal block. I'm securing one of the V-blocks in the drill press and drilling a precise hole. This hole will accommodate the threaded rod that allows us to adjust the clamping pressure for various material thicknesses. I'm preparing some bolts and nuts to thread through the hole I just drilled. I'm welding the bolts to the V-blocks. These bolts will act as the adjustable screws for applying pressure, allowing us to firmly hold pieces in place for welding. I'm welding washers onto the long bolts to create pivot points for the tool. This fulfills the core function of our V-block clamp. Let's do a quick test. I have two pieces of metal, and I welded them together to form a 90-degree angle. I'm using a protractor to check, but the angle isn't a perfect fit. I'm placing two metal pieces in the jig and tightening the clamps. You can see how securely it holds them at a perfect 90-degree angle. Watch how easily I can position and clamp these pieces. This is great for tack welding and ensuring accuracy. This custom-made tool is incredibly versatile, allowing you to hold metal pieces perfectly square for precise welding. This tool is a true game changer for any DIY welder looking for perfect corners. If you enjoyed learning how to build this invaluable welding jig, please give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing DIY projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.